with Ceres Greenhouse Solutions, and today we are at Acres Farm at Warren Tech in Lakewood, Colorado. Okay, so this greenhouse is sheeted in ETFE film, and it's a fluorine-based plastic. There's two layers, and so you see a diffuse layer, which is the inner layer, and that scatters the light, which allows for better light penetration into the plant canopy inside the greenhouse. And then there's a clear outer layer, and between the two layers, there's a fan that blows air to expand so that you end up with an air pocket between those two layers of film, and that increases the insulation of the greenhouse, allows it to be a tighter seal. And the really unique thing is that it allows for a great amount of light transmission. There's over 90% PAR light transmission that comes into the greenhouse, and it includes the UV spectrum as well.
All right, so here's the outside of the greenhouse. You can see in the video the diffusion layers on the inside, it's kind of cloudy. This is the more clear than glass, just completely cleared layer. And the F-Clean product does come in several flavors, but this is the best for like our application right here. Is that the insects also don't like the UV rays, right? Living creatures, they got a few brain cells, but not many opinions. We had some slugs in here that crawled up from the ditch, and slugs specifically like it gloomy and dark. And our slug problem, I mean, it was a running joke how much time I spent killing the slug. And you know, as a farmer, you have to like honor life, but at the same time, you gotta do what you gotta do. So teaching that is touchy. You can't just have kids squishing slugs. Anyway, it eliminated the problem. And this last year, with the thousands of plants that we had in here that got distributed all over the Denver metro area, we did not find any aphids on actual plants or thrips. We actually had Whitney Crenshaw, an entomologist from CSU, come in here, and I was helping interpret the farm. The actual insects, it was like a running joke. Whitney was like, I can't find any bugs in here, like laughing. And that's his job. I mean, he's the pro. What I've observed is an increase in growth, basically, in health of the plants. Another great part of the ETFE film is that it's self-cleaning. Like, what does that mean? I've kind of learned, like, well, actually I've observed, because about a week after we had it installed, I actually stayed at work late because we had really high winds. So it was 89 miles per hour blowing sand. We have real sandy loam soil against the plastic. And as I was in here working, you know, potting plants up and things like that, I watched it hit and then like looked at the material, and the dirt wasn't like smashed into the plastic like it would normally be. So if we'd installed the normal poly, the 90 mile per hour wind came with sand in it, it would have definitely limited our light transmission.